Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through how to change your email address in Cash App. Whether you are updating old info or just switching to a new address, this tutorial will help you do it smoothly. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen to go to your account setting. Now scroll down and tap on personal from the menu. Here you will see your registered phone number and email address. Tap on your current email address. You will now have two options. Let's edit the existing email or remove it and add a new one. To update, tap change email or add email if none is listed. Enter your new email address, then tap add or save it. Cash App will send you a verification code to your new email. Check your inbox, enter the code in the app and confirm. That's it. Your email address is now linked to your Cash App account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.